Hello guys, on today's video I will take you through the three winning option method. The three winning option method is very good for those who are into betting, especially football betting. This video is very important for if you are first time on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. All the things that we teach here is not guaranteed that you win bet all the time. Betting is a business that you are into it. You need to understand that sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. It's part of the game. That's why I always say when you are betting, don't put all your money on one step. Don't put your everything on it. Anything can happen. Sometimes you can do all the research. You can do everything. Good performing team winning another thing, but still one team can spoil your game. It's part of the game. So when you are betting, don't bet harder, but bet what wisely. So choose small teams, then you bet on it. It's better than selecting more games, which will spoil your game. So this video, I'm explaining three options that you can choose all the time to bet on it. So let's move on. The first option is the double chance option. It's one of the best options for any bettee to select. So when you're choosing double chance betting, the first thing you need to do is what? Doing research about the team that you are going for double chance. If the team is good in goal scoring, the team is winning a lot of matches, then you can choose double chance for that options. But the odds was small, but it's good for you to choose double chance than to go for straight win. So double chance option give you two options. Either the team will win or the team will play draw. And it's good for you to choose that option for teams that are good. But when going for an away game, so you can choose double chance for away games. If your team is going to play an away game against a middle team or higher team, you can go for double chance for your team, especially when they are playing against a bigger team or a team that are good in terms of goal scoring, or anytime those teams meet, their head-to-head is very equal. You can go for double chance for your team. Don't go straight win for your team. And make sure that you do proper research about your team before you bet on double chance for that game. It's very good option that many people should use. Then the next option that you can choose is over. But over here, you can go for over 1.5. That's the best option. Anything can happen. Going for both teams to score, you can stop that one, then you go for over 1.5. So it's good for you to choose over 1.5 for your games. Nowadays, the teams, they score a lot of goals. So you can just go for over 1.5 for your games than choosing both teams to score. It's very risky. So you just pick your 1.5. But before doing that, make sure that you do proper research about the two teams. If they are good in goal scoring, so you can just research their head-to-head, then you find out that anytime they score more than one goal, then you can bet on over 1.5. It's very nice option and it's very easy for you to choose that option for your game. That's the second option. Then the third option is handicap. The handicap win is easy for you to choose. You just give goals to the teams that you want the team to win. So you can just predict that I've given my team 2 goals. So before the match will start, your team is leading with 2 goals or 3 goals. You can choose many goals as you want, as you can see over here. So then you just give your team goals or you give the other team goals. But before doing or choosing that option, make sure that you do proper research about your team. Make sure your team score a lot of goals. So the goals that you give to your teams, they can score some to it. So if they lose the game and your team were able to score 1 or 2 goals, adding to the goals that you giving to them, still you are better will take green. So make sure that when you are doing that, you make sure your team score a lot of goals. Anytime they meet that team, they score goals. Either they lose or not, still they score a lot of goals against them. Then you can just give them goals. So any goals that they score, they'll count it to the one that you have given to them. Then your stake will be green. So it's one of the best options that you can use for your games all the time. Giving goals, that's for the handicap. Either you give your team goal or you give the opponent goal and say that your team will win. All that you have to do is just do research about the teams, the number of goals they score, the scoreline they always have when the two teams meet, then you can choose that options for your game. A very nice options. So these are the three best options that you can choose for your games anytime you are into betting or anytime you are betting and you are not sure of your teams. You can choose the double chance option over 1.5 and then handicap option for your teams. I hope this video is very, very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, comment, and join my Telegram group for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.